The Toyota Hilux is a legend in the automotive world. Known for its unmatched durability, reliability, and off-road prowess, the Hilux has earned a reputation as the ultimate workhorse. From the deserts of the Middle East to the jungles of South America, this truck has proven itself in the harshest conditions. But there's one place where you won't find the Hilux: Canada. Despite its global success, the Toyota Hilux is not available in Canada, or anywhere in North America for that matter. This might seem surprising, especially considering the popularity of trucks and SUVs in this region. So, why is the Hilux absent from Canadian roads? One of the main reasons is the Toyota Tacoma. The Tacoma, a mid-size pickup truck, has been a dominant force in the North American market for decades. It's designed specifically for this region, catering to the preferences and needs of Canadian and American drivers. Introducing the Hilux here could create internal competition, potentially cannibalizing Tacoma sales. Another factor is market demand. In North America, consumers tend to favor larger, more luxurious trucks with advanced features and powerful engines. The Hilux, while incredibly durable, is often seen as a utilitarian vehicle, perfect for rugged environments but less suited to the comfort-focused expectations of North American drivers. There's also the issue of production and logistics. Toyota's manufacturing plants are strategically located to serve specific markets. Building and distributing the Hilux in North America would require significant investment in new facilities or adjustments to existing ones. For Toyota, the cost may not justify the potential returns, especially with the Tacoma already thriving. The Hilux's absence in Canada doesn't diminish its global appeal. In fact, its reputation as an unstoppable vehicle continues to grow. From being the vehicle of choice for adventurers and explorers to serving as a reliable tool for industries worldwide, the Hilux has cemented its place in automotive history. While Canadians may not have access to the Hilux, they still have the Tacoma, a truck built for their needs. And for those who dream of owning a Hilux, its legendary status ensures it will always be a topic of fascination and admiration.
Yoo-hoo! Alright.